In the fast-paced digital world of 2024, creating a custom URL for your Facebook business page is a must. Here's your quick guide to get it done in less than 60 seconds. Step 1. Navigate to your Facebook business page. Step 2. Click on About on the left-hand side of your page. Step 3. Under General, find and click on Edit Page Info. Next, look for the Username section. This is where you'll craft your custom URL. Make it unique, memorable, and relevant to your brand. Once you've decided on your username, click Save Changes. Voila! You've just created your custom URL. Now, your Facebook business page will be easier to find, share, and remember. Remember, your custom URL should represent your business accurately. It's a powerful tool to increase your online visibility. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, keep navigating the digital world with ease.